guys, this is Jay, the Unbreakable here, and it's been a long time since I did a video, so I'm just going to be reacting to some Tesla or Testla videos that some YouTubers created before the real CyberTruck or Testla Pick-Up Truck shown in the public. And here's my really first reaction video, and I'll be reacting to this YouTuber girl about making her new Testla a pick-up conversion before Elon Musk released the new Tesla pickup truck. And let's start the video.
It's here. The truck the world didn't know it was waiting for. It's the dawn of a new beginning. Some trucks rely on roads already paved. Some choose to pave their own. Push past convention. Empower yourself beyond what's possible. And if the thing you want doesn't exist yet, you step up and make your own. Don't just leave a footprint when you can leave your mark. The power is in your hands to take charge. Engineered to embrace every turn, while safely guarding what matters most. You choose where the road leads. The new 2019 Truckla. Available nowhere.
Okay, so the Testla that she made is really reliable. It comes with like putting some stuff in the back of the Testla, but the case here is, will it tow big heavy stuff like an streamliner, or when you will it throw a trailer or something else that would be helpful if you have any kind of job that requires that? And one thing is, can it off-road? Yeah, we can totally see that it's capable of off-road like situation, but not the real kind. And okay, let's start with the second one. So up next is this Russian guy who created his own CyberTruck, Testla CyberTruck, and let's just see how it's capable of. And let's just continue with Garage 54. Okay.
Hey there, fellas. Right, today we resume work on our CyberTruck build. Okay, fellas, we've made it to the test track, and weren't we surprised? You see, we've been getting a lot of snow this year. The entire track is covered, including the entrance. We tried plowing through in our own cars, but the last thing we want to do is damage our bumpers. This thing, though, is all hard metal, so we decided to go for it. Okay, time to test this CyberTruck's off-road capabilities. Will the car be able to get through all this snow, which is literally knee-deep? Oh yeah, there's a lot to go around. Right, I say we just go ahead and dive headfirst into this. Let's get to it. Right, so check this out. We're looking at... I can't tell exactly how far I've gotten. I'd say maybe 10 meters. Anyway, I made it. It's someone's personal car? Oh, there's mine. Oh, it's yours. Yeah. Made it myself. Yep. I heard that Elon Musk conceived it. Well, yeah, it was his idea, sure. But I brought this one to life. Isn't that something? Why are the windows blacked out? That's how they're supposed to be, or... Well, yeah, it looks cool that way. It also helps to hide some of the rough edges. So there you go. It's built on an UAZ chassis. The motor is from an UAZ. I'd say we're almost there. Sure thing. Have a good day. Thank you. No worries. Have a great day. Thanks. Ciao.
Okay, and the last of the CyberTruck fanatic YouTubers who tried to make their own, and here's the half scale or 1/2 scale CyberTruck by the Hatsmith. And let's continue on with the video. This is going to be so exciting.
Test, the moment you've all been waiting for. Good morning, can I please get a large dark roast? 3, 2, 1, go! Welcome to Make It Real. I'm your host, the Hacksmith. At Hacksmith Industries, we take fictional ideas from comics, movies, and video games and make real working prototypes using our engineering knowledge as a way to inspire people around the world to pursue science, technology, engineering, and math. As many of you know, we spent the past month building our very own CyberTruck, with one major difference. We built it half scale. To accomplish this was no small task, and it cost us a lot of time, blood, sweat, and tears. We persevered and prevailed despite each and every roadblock along the way. And trust me, there are more than a few. Now, without further ado, Hacksmith Industries is proud to present the world's first half-scale CyberTruck. Who are you? Pretty cool, right? Let's talk about the specs. This CyberTruck has all the functionality of a regular truck while being half the size of the most popular pickup truck in the United States, the F-150. We did that by making it half the height, half the width, and half the length of a standard F-150, all while having greater capabilities and functionality than a full-size truck. And it's half the size with 1/8 the weight. By making the frame of the truck an exoskeleton, we're able to do things normal pickup trucks can't. The entire skin of the truck is made from thick 3mm ultra-hard stainless steel. It's really hard. In fact, we're going to show you just how hard. Bogdan, our lead designer here on the half-scale CyberTruck, he's got a sledgehammer and he's gonna hit it. Go all out. Now, how about the glass? Bogdan?
You sure?
Do it. Look at that. Not even a blemish. Tesla armored glass. Now, how about power? Now, this thing has a tri-motor design, just like its big brother. In fact, it produces around 600 foot-pounds of torque, which is 50% more torque than an F-150 V8 5-liter engine from 2020. Now, we could read you stats about power and torque all day, but that's not really our style. So, we put this truck to the test.
We can weld that back on, right?
If this car breaks down and it needs a tow, I'm just gonna...
Well, that didn't work. Next! Wasn't fair. Mike, switch it to all-wheel drive. Go! Yeah! All right! That's pretty impressive. I think we can go bigger. Get out of here! Get out of here!
That's how it is.
Alright, it's time for the true test, the moment you've all been waiting for. A fully loaded F-150 versus the half-scale CyberTruck. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, well, that's not a really fair fight because that is a 5,000-pound truck and the CyberTruck probably only weighs just over 1,000. That's basic physics. So we're gonna load up the back of the CyberTruck to make it a bit heavier and see what happens. We need a bit more weight though. World's heaviest Thor's hammer, which weighs 115 pounds, has made a touchdown. Rolling! Alright, so we got some weight in the back of the CyberTruck. Let's do this again. Let's get that chain tight. Alright, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! CyberTruck 50% more torque than an F-150. see, this little truck has a lot of power. It would be a shame to keep it all to ourselves. Like my Uncle Ben used to say, with great power comes great responsibility. Let's see how the CyberTruck is received out there in the real world.
Okay, let's go road tripping.
Good morning, can I please get a large dark roast with 3 milks? What better way to test a half-scale CyberTruck than in a half-scale village?
Not bad. If you guys want to see the complete engineering process that went into building a half-scale CyberTruck in just over a month, check out our YouTube channel where you can see the 4-part build series. Now we've had a ton of fun building this half-scale CyberTruck, but there's still so much more that we could upgrade. Maybe adding the truck bed cover, a winch in the front, make it remote controlled, and maybe even add a self-driving module. Either way, you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, because you're not going to want to miss this. And Elon, if you're watching this, you're welcome to come give it a spin anytime. Until then, I'll be waiting for my pre-order of the real CyberTruck. If you guys want to learn more about our half-scale CyberTruck video, make sure you check out this video right here. It's a full Q&A posted on our vlog channel where we talk more about the engineering that went into our half-scale CyberTruck. Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, that's for all. So how's the Tesla Cybertruck? And the one thing that I like about the Tesla truck, for what I know, is it can air suspension. You can raise it up higher than it usually is, and also the thick boy wheels, the beautiful wheels, and also it's eco-friendly, it's electric, and it has more power than most of the cars, and it's really like futuristic, and without the curvy lines, it just have straight angular lines, and I think this would be best selling new Tesla cars, Tesla Pick-Up I mean. And I think this video will this car will have many buyers in the future for 2021 or 2022, I could say. And I think this is the end of my video, and subscribe, like, and comment what all you want down in the description. And guys, I have a question. Is it okay that I change my hair to this? And for the next month, I think I'm going to be reacting to some other cars. And so guys, next week, or or maybe next month, because I have school to and some projects to do. And that's for all guys. See you next week, or see you soon, and peace out. Peace. Pow.